Hi everyone, welcome back to today's lesson. Today we are going to be talking about identities. And you might think that is something odd or something unusual to talk about in math, but yes in math, we have identities when it relates to different operations. And when I mean operations, there are 4 basic operations in math. It's either you're going to add, you're going to subtract, you're going to multiply, or you're going to divide. So those are the 4 operations we're talking about. All right, so let's look at the definition for what an identity is in math. So an identity is an element of a set when combined with other elements under an operation leaves them the same. So no matter what operation you perform on a set of numbers under that identity, the result is going to be the same. For example, if I say Jake has 5 apples and Leon has none or has 0. How many apples do they have altogether? All right. So let's find out the operation that we're going to use. So 5 apples and he has none. So 5 plus 0. How many apples do they all have together? Yes, 5. So in this case, for addition, 0 being added to 5 left the operation unchanged. Because when we add 0 to 5, we still got back the 5. So for addition or additive identity, 0 would be the additive identity. Because when we add 0 to any number, we get back that same number. The operation is unchanged. The other type is multiplicative identity. All right? This one could be quite easy for some of you, right? So which number, when we multiply it by any other number, it leaves, you get back the same number? Can anyone guess? Yes, 1. So let's try it. If we multiply 2 by 1, do we still get back 2? Yes, we do. Let's try another number. So 1 we would say is a multiplicative identity, because when we multiply 1 by any number, we get back that same number. All right, so those are 2 identities in math that we are going to be looking at, and we're going to do others like these. So we have the additive identity and we have the multiplicative identity. All right, so next class we'll go further into these, and I want you to go home and read up more on these, find other examples, and when we come back to class, we can discuss it further.